Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Asus Rog Phone 7. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Next is to find Firefox in the top search. Here click on the install. And when it's ready, tap on the open. Here we can set Firefox as a default browser, and let's do that. Sign in to turn on synchronization between your other devices using Firefox browser. I'm gonna skip it. Turn on notifications for your Firefox browser, and you also need to allow them. Now we can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.